We are about to start Parashat Shuva, Shabbat Shuva, and Yom Kippur. It's very interesting. Recently, we learned the Parashat Vayelech Moshe. Now, this Parashat tells us something about Moshe Rabbeinu that could be the highlight and resolution of the incoming year, and Zechud and Merid on Yom Kippur. Torah says, Vayelech Moshe, Moshe went. And spoke these things to Israel. In other words, we have Parashat Nitzavim that everybody was standing in front of Moshe Rabbeinu, and Moshe talked to them and told them all of the messages that he wanted to give. That was the day of his Petira. Now Torah starts in Parashat Vayelech Moshe, but it doesn't tell us where did Moshe go. Vayelech Moshe doesn't tell us where. Ramban says, where did Moshe Rabbeinu go? Now, this day, let's understand this day. This day is the day that Moshe Rabbeinu is dying, the Petira of Moshe Rabbeinu. Imagine Rabbi of Gahal Israel. He gave Torah to all Gahal Israel, every piece of Torah. All of the Torah Shebichta, Torah Shebal Peh. I'm sure there's a lot of questions, a lot of clarification to be made on the day of the Petira of Moshe Rabbeinu, such an important day. We're going to have Moshe Rabbeinu, the Rabbi of Gahal Israel, on this earth only that day, no more. Source of Torah, source of how much we could use it. Now, on this day, Torah says, Vayelech Moshe. Where did he go? What is he doing? Torah tells us, Ramban says, Moshe halach lemachane Israel lechabedam litereshuli pater. Moshe, on the day of his Petira, he went to the camps of Gahal Israel to respect them, to get permission from them, to depart from them. It's the way that people act with discipline. That was the legacy of Moshe Rabbeinu. On the day of his Petira, what is he thinking? He's thinking to conduct himself with full derech eretz. What's derech eretz? Moshe Rabbeinu, such a giant in Torah, such a great stature in Torah, such a great person to go and to respect Gahal Israel is departing from them to go and to tell them the departure, in other words, the departing word to tell them. And that is the Cheres. The Cheres, Baruch Hashem, I had a lot of yeshivot that they taught me Torah. All of them full of the Cheres, especially I lost my southern Rosh Yeshiva a few weeks ago, Rabbi Shechter. He was stature of the Cheres, stature of kavod and priyot, to be mechabed, to respect other people, and to give them the chashivut, give them understanding, to make everybody chashuv and important. And that's the Cheres. There is a recognition of other people, not just on myself. The recognition, give them the rumimut, greatness, and he was excellent in that, par excellent. Besides great Talmid Chacham and learning, that what he was a special and unique Rosh Yeshiva for me, that he was in Derech Eretz, how to deal. There was said in story about Rabbi Shechter that once Chaim Berlin was in debate over a building with somebody, Balabas, and Balabas took away the building from Chaim Berlin, and everybody was surprised that how come a Balabas comes and take away something, building from the yeshiva. After a few weeks, after a while, there was a simcha that the Balabas had a simcha, and Rabbi Shechter, he got ready to go to the simcha. When he got ready to go to simcha, obviously, a lot of people from the yeshiva said, where are you going? The simcha of somebody did such a terrible thing to yeshiva. How could you do that? It's not proper. How could you do something like that? It did such a terrible thing to yeshiva. You're going to honor him in a simcha. Well, Shechter says, I'm on page with you. I also feel that not to go. But I tell myself, I'm not going to listen to my Yetzer Hara. This is the Yetzer Hara. Yetzer Hara tells me not to go to create more machloket. Now we got the building. Why should we increase the machloket? Yes, my Yetzer Hara also tells me not to go. But is it proper to listen to Yetzer Hara? I don't want to listen to Yetzer Hara. It's an unbelievable lesson in life. a lot of times, not only we listen to Yetzer Hara, we encourage Yetzer Hara, we welcome Yetzer Hara, we entice Yetzer Hara. Like Shechter says, the legacy of a man, a great man is, I'm not going to listen to my Yetzer Hara. I'm on the page with you. I have the same feelings. But this is Yetzer Hara. I recognize the Yetzer Hara. I'm not going to listen to Yetzer Hara to create Shalom. And this is the way that Kodesh Baruch Hu wants us to act. Once we act like that, and it is so to all of the blessings of the Torah.